I'll just say with a three, because I truly don't remember. It was very long ago. I try to be pretty positive and optimistic with my students, and I think it's received well. I am genuinely a positive person, but I feel like that's a good vibe to bring into the classroom, so I like doing that.
I have to echo that.
Yeah.
100%. Like, when I think of Dr. Jill Hoover, I think, oh my God, this is like one of the most pleasant, positive people I've ever interacted with, and every single time I see her, she's actually happy to see me.
I think I would have said there's lots of paths to take. So I am in speech language hearing sciences, and I was definitely a student who was like narrowly focused on speech language pathology, and I had so much anxiety about getting into grad school, and I was like, oh my God, what if I don't get into grad school? What's gonna happen? But really, there's so many career paths you can take, and if you don't get into grad school, you do something cool and interesting that enhances your skill set, and you try again, or you might discover, actually this isn't for me and I want to do something different. So that's what I would give myself. I consult people. I have a core group of people who I trust, and I always run things by that group first. It's not final. Like, you can make a decision and change it later on.
Hell yeah!
Yeah. So just go with what you feel right now, and if you change your mind in 5 years, no big deal. You'll probably be super happy. So just, be relaxed and have fun with it.